What's up, guys? Good morning. Okay, so we got a few decent movers. Let's see. I'm going to be watching PIXY again. This one moved a lot on Friday, and so I'm going to keep an eye on it. LFIN, obviously, this thing moved all the way up to over $44 in pre-market, so just a crazy move in the last few days. Was at $5.50 Friday. SEED, a little bit cheaper of a stock. JONE, another cheap stock with a small gap. VIPS is another one. OHAI is another one. And VFY as well, gapping up a small amount. NAK, gapping up some. Coming all the way back down though, maybe a good short. Gonna keep an eye on it, see if it runs a little bit maybe, or see if it drops under that closing 216 point. SIEB, JMEI. So yeah, we got a few decent movers this morning. Let me open up TradeNet. There we go. Alright, so let's see if some of these are available to trade. JONE. Alright, nice. So JONE is LFIN. Okay, LFIN is seed. No. JMEI. Yes. Okay, good. So there's a decent amount available. Let's try VIPS. And then I'll add this watch list to the chat. Nice. VIPS is NAK. No, NAK isn't. I know Pixie is. PIXY. OHAI. No. SIEB is. NVFY. Okay, so a decent amount are available. I think all of these are. Let's see, seed. No. So all three of these are, as well as VIPS. PIXY, SIEB. So we've got a few that's available to trade on TradeNet, which is nice. And the other ones I can just trade on Ustock. Let me go ahead and add my watch list to the chat. But man, LFIN, that thing has been on a big tear this last day or so. Alright, and here's my watch list. If you guys see any other big movers that I missed, let me know in the chat. There's also MARA. Gapping up some, MARA. I know this one's available on TradeNet, I think. And then DPW maybe. Moving some, ANY. Gapping up some, MFIN. Gapping up some, XPER, ROKU. Moving a lot in after hours and pre-market, NETE. Gapping up some. OTIV. OTIV is another one. It's listed on the NASDAQ. We'll see if it holds over 2. You said BCRX. Yeah, it's sitting right at 5. It had a volume spike right before the close. Although it looks like a little bit higher float stock, and so we'll see how quickly it moves. It might move slow. But maybe not. I think I remember BCRX running in the past, so maybe I'm wrong on that one. Good morning, Grant. But yeah, what a big runner LFIN was, man. That thing ran all the way up to $44. I know somebody was holding this one on Friday. I think it was HS. He was holding this thing on Friday. I wonder if he held it all the way through. Good morning, Marty. UGHZ. Yeah, UGAZ's gapping up some. I think this one's an ETF, if I remember correctly. Let me see. Oh, ETN. Yeah, it's an ETN. Other people have been talking about TYHT. It's moving some. Nice, Chris. DPW. Yeah, it's gapping up nicely. TYHT is another one I'm going to be watching. It's moving nicely in pre-market and after hours. It has good volume, and so I'm going to keep an eye on this one. OTIV does as well, but it's just been washing out for the last hour or so. $30 minutes, but nice move on OTIV. CROX. Yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye on RIOT maybe. Yeah, I might keep an eye on ROKU as well. A little bit more expensive of a stock, but I'll probably watch it as well. Look at OHAI starting to wash out some. I'm going to keep an eye on this one. See if it bounces a little bit at the open. Gonna watch this one for a bounce. It gapped up. It gave most of the big push away though, so we'll see if it rebounds a little bit. OHAI down to 125. All right, so OHAI is down to 120. Good morning, Andre. But yeah, guys, I'm going out of town tomorrow. I'm heading out of state for until the 23rd, but I'm gonna bring my Asus laptop, and so I'll probably still be streaming, but I will be out of town on a smaller computer while I stream. But I'll still stream for you guys. It's just gonna be on a little bit smaller computer, but regardless, I still have I do have TradeNet on the other computer and Ustock, so it should be fine. It should be almost the same. I just won't have my second monitor, but that's okay. I don't know if I'll be streaming tomorrow, just because we're leaving early in the morning. I'll see though. Alright, so OHAI down to 118. And you are blocked. Find your love. Stop spamming my stuff. There you go. Alright, so OTIB's up to 243. Gonna watch it over this 250 level. Oh my gosh. Remove. Block. Who is this person that keeps spamming my stuff? They were doing this on Friday as well. OHAI down to 115. Down to 116. This one's dropping big. I'm going to look OHAI to see if it has any negative news on it. OHAI, let me see. Okay, so it had a false news release is what happened. It says OHA investment officers comment on December 15th trading volume. They say the third-party reports related to the alleged involvement in blockchain loan platform are false. And so now it's dropping. That story dropped at 8:02, and so you can see it's starting to wash out ever since then, down to 110. And so maybe this one will be a good short. I'm just going to react to what it does in the market. I mean, I don't know. We'll see about LFIN. I don't really like to short right into a parabolic move like that. So I'm going to be really careful with it. It's just been on a parabolic move. Up a huge amount. Up from about $5 all the way to 45. Just under 45. And so I'm going to be really careful with it. I don't really like shorting into these huge moves. And I mean, this one's moving in chunks of $5 increments. And so if I do trade it, it would be like less than 10 shares, which I don't even know if it's worth it. I'm going to watch it to see if it goes on another parabolic run like DRYS did last year, to see if it tries to push up to $1, but I'm going to be very, very careful with this one. Yeah, no, I think that's a good idea, Andre. Yeah, you got to be really careful with the Bitcoin related stuff. They've been on a huge tear these last few weeks. DPW, MARA, LFIN, tons of different ones. They've all been running huge. But man, look at OHAI down to 106. Right, Juan. If y'all watch my video, I have a very specific short strategy that I'm going to be looking for. I just need to get my sizing right. Like Friday, I just didn't have my sizing together. I need to look at the range of a stock and then judge my sizing off of that. Because if a stock's moving like LFIN or something like that, I don't want 50 shares because that'll hurt my account huge in just a few seconds. I need a little bit smaller sizing that I'm more comfortable with. Right, LFIN. We'll see. Yeah, Kevin, that would have been a bad short, man. Yeah, one sure trader will put the huge volatile stocks like LFIN on margin restriction, and so, or they won't have it available. But we've got some decent movement in the market this morning. Watching OTIV here. I don't think I could trade OTIV on TEFs on TradeNet. No, I can't. So I'm going to be watching this one for U stock. Alright, so JMEI is tradable. That's nice. Gonna watch VIPS for a possible dip or a possible gap fill here. VIPS. It's up to 1267, right around that pre-market high, so I'm watching that one for sure. Watching it under 12. Oh my gosh. Block Find Your Love. Alright, so VIPS, OTIV, BETR. Yeah, this looks like an acquisition or a merger or something like that. Let's look at the news on BETR. It looks like it's a buyout. Yeah, it's an acquisition. So it might not move that much at all. Yeah, so Hershey is buying this company. It says Hershey's decision to acquire Amplify Snacks, which makes Skinny Pop popcorn, and Campbell's deal to buy Snyder's Lance, highlight the big food company's efforts to move toward healthier snack brands. So yeah, this is an acquisition. That's what it looks just like one. It may not move that much at all, and so it's a huge move, but it may not move much at all. Well, I'll have to try to see where the buyout price is, or the price is for it. Yeah, it's BETR, and let me see, I just had it. Campbell is buying Snyder Lance. Alright, so JONE is one I'm looking at. This one did what I usually like to see for my overnight holds, but it's not moving that much. It's down 1 penny. And so we'll see if it pushes back up to test the dollar. That's what I'm watching for JONE. Oh my gosh. Find Your Love needs to realize I'm just going to ban them every time they say anything. Alright. Yeah, VIPS kind of looks like a buyout or an acquisition as well. Although it is moving more than those type of stocks usually do in pre-market. Like the volume is still up there. Let's see. I'm watching Seed, SEED, as well. SEED pushed over 1. We'll see if it holds here now. Alright guys, we got 10 minutes left till the open. SEED doesn't have the best volume. It's moving a little bit slow. But I'm going to watch OTIV, especially if it can break over this 250 level. And specifically 270. Push for 3 maybe. See if I can find anything else. ALNA got some volume before the close. CASA, CROX. Somebody stated this one earlier. Maybe CROX. Keeping an eye on that one. Like I said before, TYHT. Big move. This is American market, Braden. OTIV. Yeah, it's American, Braden. Have a good one, Braden. What market are you trading, Braden? You're trading Canadian? Have a good one, man. All right, we got 7 minutes, guys. All right, we got ACFC. Had a push right before the close. This is usually what I look for to see if it makes a break for the open. ACFC. Let's see what else we have. AKCA, making a little push. HNRG, NETS, SMSI, ITCB, gapping up some. RXII. RXII is a smaller, cheaper stock, but it's gapping up nicely, so going to keep an eye on that one. TEUM went all the way up to $1 and then ended up washing out. What's up, Pradeep? Good morning, man. Let's see, MARK. MARK ran a little bit. Apparently on some good news, MARK. Alright, so we got TYHT pushing up some. OTIV testing that $2 area, trying to drop under it. We'll see if it holds. JMEI. Yeah, OTIV has a nice daily chart. It looks like it could bounce. JMEI kind of looks the same. I really like JMEI's daily chart. It looks like it could bounce here. Let's look at MARK. MARK doesn't look bad. TYHT. Yeah, it looks like it could use a bounce as well. I mean, it did bounce already. We'll see if it follows through with this one, though. RCON. Good morning, Giovanni. What's up, man? Let's see. Archon. Yeah, the only thing I don't like about this one is that it gave up the entire push. I mean, it's almost down to where it closed yesterday at 119. It's at 125 now. And so we'll see if it rebounds, but usually these don't, from my experience, these don't end up ever getting back up to this pre-market high. And so I'm a little bit skeptical that it's going to go anywhere. It may not. It may not. We'll see. I can trade it on TradeNet, so that's nice. So I'll put it on my other computer to watch. RCON. We'll see about this one. Alright guys, we got less than 2 minutes left. Good luck everyone. I'll be right back. I'm going to get some water, get ready for the open. Okay, so I'm back, less than a minute. Good luck, everyone. Hopefully we can all make some money this morning. What was the other one I was looking for up here? TYHT, I think. Although it's under 350. All right, here we go. We got 10 seconds, just over 10 seconds. Good luck, everyone. Market's opening now. All right, so LFIN is up to $40. It went back down to $39.50. VIPS is washing out some. Huge move on OTIV. Gonna wait for OTIV here. Alright, I'm in OTIV with 30 shares. Looks like I bought it right on the bounce, on the dip. We'll see if it pushes back up. Alright, we're back up to 220. Alright, TYHT's washing out, 225. There we go, up to 227. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get out of this one for a $5 loss. Alright, so watching JMEI here, slowly starting to push up. Not that much volume though. Good to see how MARK reacts to this. Pull back, we'll see if it drops under it. Nice trade, Andre. OTIV might be a good dip buy here. I mean, it looks like it's flagging nicely. We'll see though. Gonna wait for it to break that high before I jump back in. I should have held it. That's the biggest thing I need to work on, is being disciplined and holding my winners. SALT. BLPH. Grow. GROE. GROW. ERRI. ERII. Running some. OCSL. Pushing up some. OCSL. RXXI is having a washout long here. RXII starting to push towards to break that previous high. RXII. TEUM, TEUM. So LFIN's dropping out and TEUM's pushing up nicely. Starting to curl back up. Alright, so I'm short in JMEI. It broke under the low of day. I'll give it a little bit of time here. For a possible gap fill on JMEI. NAK has been washing out all morning. Alright, so we'll see if JMEI can get that washout that I'm looking for. I just set a stop loss at 318 with that one. Gonna watch MARK here. Alright, so look at TEUM, guys. TEUM is running big here. I'm going to give up on OTIV for now. XCRA, pushing up some. ARLZ, running up some. OHGI, running up some. AEG, JASO, TRST. But look at TEUM, it's pushing right up to 1. That would have been my short on mark on JMEI on MARK right here under 830. That's really where I wanted to short it. SRRA. SRRA is running up some. There we go. JMEI broke under that low. Let's see if it continues to wash. Down to 309. There we go. Let's see if we can go down to 308. Now I can comfortably set a stop loss on JMEI at break even. $314, just set a buy stop for it. And now I can focus on other stuff. Watching TEUM here. See if it makes it over 1. I'm not too confident in it, but we'll see. Not very confident in it. MLNK. Look at MLNK, guys. It's had a ridiculous move. MLNK. Can't trade TEUM. OHGI, OTIV. Sorry guys, I hadn't had the stream pulled up. Hold on. OHGI, yeah. OTIV. Oh wow, OTIV is back. There it goes, OTIV. Let's see if it runs to 350 or 250. I don't like that upwick, guys. It's back up to the 230s. We'll see what it does here, but that upwick scares me a little bit. Nice. Nice trade, bro. Francis, good job, man. All right, OTIV up to 237. I want to see if it'll test 250. Up to 238. See if it pulls back some. Set my stop at 225 for this one, just in case. DSS, what's up, Black Monday? Wow, look at DSS. Yeah, I missed that one completely. Up to 240. On OTIV 241. Halted. DSS is halted. Down to 238. I don't like that big upwick again. We'll see if it follows through. I just don't like it. We'll see. Up to 241 again. Down to 237. Two big upwicks. 242. Nice. 244. There we go. See if it goes for this 250 break. 245. Oof, look at that drop. See if it bounces back, but that's a drop I don't really like. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and get out here most likely. My stop's set at 235 or 225, and so I mean I'll let it stop me out, I guess, but it's a scary drop I don't necessarily like that much. TEUM's pushing up back towards that high. Stops me out. Yeah, stopped me out for a $4 loss. It's okay. Wish I could have shorted that drop. I should have followed my plan. It looked like a good short once it got rejected here, but just couldn't hold. VIPS. There goes TEUM testing 1 again. Yeah, VIPS is a crazy mover right now. But yeah, look at TEUM. right at $1. See if it gets rejected again. All right, I'm in at 102 with TEUM with 100 shares. To 103. Broke 103. Went to 104. To 105. I might just get out of JMEI here for a break-even trade. It's just not doing what I really want it to. There we go. All right, I'm out. Up to 108. Nice. $109. $110. Crazy move. He's going to need a pullback soon. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here for a $7 profit. So $7 on TEUM. Took back most of my loss on those first two trades. Maybe still down a small amount, but TEUM's running big. Alright, so I had a break-even trade on JMEI after commissions. NXTD. NXTD getting a volume spike here. NXTD. Having a red to green move. Worried about that 150 level though. I'm scared it might get rejected there. AMPE. Nice, CERC. Yeah, I'm watching it Black Monday. Don't worry, bro. Need some more volume though. The volume kind of went down a little bit. CLD waking up some. OHAI. Trying to continue back here. OHAI. MBII. Waking up here. MBII starting to wake up some. GROW, look at GROW. It's at 661 now, but it's been pushing up nicely all morning. YTEN pushed up, but then it looks like it's giving it back. Kind of a similar thing to CERC. Look at DSS, guys. It was resumed. DSSS is open now. It's up to 228. Definitely don't want to really risk jumping in this one blindly. POC-B, although it is running. GER, GROW. VERI starting to run here. VERI. A little bit more expensive of a stock, but it's starting to push nevertheless. Nice black. Watching for a potential cup and handle pattern on VERI here. We'll see if it dips back down, consolidates, and then makes a break. CERC looks like it's washing out. DSS. Yeah, there's the dip under at the 250s. Up to 270. Consolidating in the 260s. FMSA starting to push here. Look at FMSA. want to chase it though. Gonna be careful with it. FMSA. Yeah, I mean the key level right here is this 232 point. If it breaks under 232, I'd be very skeptical of it. And we'll watch to see if it holds over 250. But this level right here is what I'm watching. It's had a lot of support there previously in the last few minutes. You know, that's ultimately the level I'm watching the most. If it breaks under that, you know, it may start turning bearish. So SSW. Alright, so there it is. It's testing that level again, that 232 point. Back up to the 240s. Alright, so there goes VERI, a beautiful cup and handle that I completely missed. Called that one out. Was focusing too much on DSS. Look at this beautiful cup and handle, obvious cup and handle. Here's the cup, here's the handle. Now it's up to 24.50. Just missed it, man. Beautiful push though, really nice push. Up to the 24.70. Super obvious cup and handle pattern. Completely missed it. Wait, I wish I could short NAK. I wish I could have short NAK. And I was thinking about getting an FMSA, just never pulled it, never jumped in. MOSY, MOSI. Look at MOSY, guys. Wow. Check out MOSY. Another halted stock. This thing went all the way up 30 cents in a minute or two and then got halted right as soon as it broke that 150 level. MOSY. Yeah, DSS is trying here. NXTD. Watching SRNE here. Oh yeah, NXTD. Broke the 150s. CLNE. Yeah, I saw Mosi Black Monday. This thing went up to 151. CLNE might start to wake up here. High relative volume. Okay, so CLNE is tradable. One thing I noticed about TradeNet is that it's not even the price of the stock that keeps them from being tradable. It's the float. If it's a higher float like CLNE, then it's tradable. If it's a low float stock, many times it's not tradable, although sometimes they are. PXLW. Look at VERI. Completely washed out. Had a nice little push for the cup and handle pattern, but now it's breaking down under that. Let's see. AQMS. Look at AQMS here. Pushing up. AQMS. Same thing with CERC. Pushing back up. Be careful, Andre. Be careful, man. I mean, you could set an obvious stop under this 232 point. That's where it's had the most support previously. So if it breaks under, there it goes. It just broke under that 220 or that 232 point. Back up over it. We'll see if it holds support there. Alright, so MOSY is resumed, and it dropped as soon as it resumed. It's up to 146. Up to 153, MOSY. Big drop on MOSY. Look at APPN here. Wash out long. NXTD. Still trying here. NXTD. Yeah, this is mostly Thinkorswim. Shahid. So this is Thinkorswim's charting software, and I just use TradeNet to execute my trades because I like Thinkorswim better. I'm just used to Thinkorswim. APPN breaking under the open at the high of the day now. APPN. Yeah, this is Thinkorswim, Shahid. I just use it for charts. I like my charts on Thinkorswim better. And so I just put my trading window next to Thinkorswim. All right, APPN up to 21.98. Testing 22 now. Up to 22, APPN. APPN trying to break over 22, sitting at 22 now. You can get Thinkorswim, Shahid. It should be available to anybody. It doesn't matter what country you're in. I know they just put an update out that made it so that you can use Chinese, the language, in it. So I'm pretty sure you can use it as well, Shahid. Alright, APPN up over 22. Yep, Fias, it's free. Watching APPN here. See if it drops under 22 for a possible short. I think it's tired now. SRRA. SRRA, guys. Look at SRRA. A lot of volume up to 350. SRRA. Breaking 350 now. CPAH. Nice, CPAH. Missed it. I don't think I can trade CPAH though. If I remember correctly, let me see. Oh no, I can. Okay. Alright, so CPAH up to 350 again. MARK. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to DSS sometime a little bit later. It's just not moving like I want it to. Alright, so MARK here. Alright, so APPN. I guess I was wrong. That's why I always gotta wait for a pullback and never try to guess the top. APLE. MLNK. Where you been at, Farts? Oh man, I missed MLNK at the open. Nice push. IMUC. Check out IMUC here. Alright, so there goes CPAH. Up to 364. Up to 370, CPAH. Up to 362. APPN all the way up to 2240. We'll see if it breaks through this one again. Nice, Black Monday. Good job, bro. Oh, you haven't been talking, Farts. I haven't heard from you, man. Alright, IMUC up to 35. Back down to 34. Alright, let's look at see if CPAH has a pullback here. CIK. Alright, so APPN's up to 2250. Alright, so MLNK dropping down to 220. APPN still grinding up to 22.58. But man, I was wrong with this one. GGN. GGN starting to wake up maybe with some volume. DSS. Alright, look at DSS, guys. It's all the way back up to 283 now. Completely pushed back after that big drop. DSS. Oh, I didn't even see you saying that, Black Monday. Yeah, I'm a little bit late on it, I guess. DSS is pushing up nicely. And it's halted right under $3. I would have actually preferred it to break 3 before it's halted, because $3 might act as resistance now, and it may resume at like 295, at like 299. I've seen that in the past, so we'll see what happens here. VERI. APPN up to 2280. Huge run. Oh no, Black. Andre, you're stuck in it, man. Hey, at least you got some, you know, a little bit of a cushion there, man. Could be worse. It may gap up. We'll see. It could gap up over 3. The biggest concern I have is that it gets rejected at 3 and it resumes at like 299 and then washes out. Oh wow, look at CPAH up to 380. MARK is breaking over 9 as well. Yeah, I know, Farts. You have some good patience, man. Better patience than I do. Alright, so I'm watching MARK here. It opened up right around where it's at, so it's almost a red to green move on MARK. MARK up to the 920s. Big spread. I don't know if I like the spread on it. Look at SSC. It's doing something similar to MARK. SSC is trying to push over and break this. I can't trade SSC on either one. Alright, SSC's pushing up if you can trade it. USA, new high. I think it may break 3, Andre. We'll see what DSS does here. Hold on, guys. I hear somebody walking up to my house. I'll be right back. Yeah, I don't know what they're doing. Somebody's in my front yard. Alright, so there goes DSS is resumed at 303 now. It went up to 311, back down to 293. Down to 283. Yeah, that's why I said I would have preferred it to break over 3 before the halt, just because it could wash out here, but it's back up over 3, up to 305, up to 309. There we go, starting to push. DSS up to 311. CANF, it had a little push here. Yeah, GROW is testing that previous high. Watching CANF here. Nice trade, Andre. Alright, so looking at CANF here. Also watching GROW. And still watching MARK. I think MARK would be a good short. PYDS. Alright, so PYDS just had a little push here. Little volume spike on PYDS. Yeah, trap leads. So you go to type, limit, stop, type in your stop price right here. So if I wanted to set my stop at 315, if it's a short, if it's a buy stop, so if it's a stop for my short, I click buy, and if it's a stop for my long, I click sell, and then my stop set at 315. Then if you go over to orders, you'll see it, your order right here for your stop loss. APPN is still on this big push, guys. Watching CANF here. See, I gotta trust my shorts. I thought MARK was a good short there. Although I also thought APPN was a good short right here. So. Lock what? Trap. Yeah, to set a stop, I don't have an order right now. I just click stop, buy, or sell, and then it's right there. Looking to see if CANF gets some volume here. It's at 153. INSY. INSY is getting right around that pre-market high at 680. Yeah, no problem, Trap. Alright, so INSY is right around that previous high. Nice, Andre. Good job, bro. NEWA. Alright, so is CANF going to be labeled limited liquidity? I put in a market order here. Oh, there we go. I'm filled. NEWA. Man, these last 2 weeks of trading have been tough. November was great trading. This month's been kind of rough. Alright, so there's a big pullback on APPN. Alright, so I'm going to look for a similar pattern to like I made the video about. So it made this big drop. We'll see if it tests 23.85 again and gets rejected. If it tests it again and gets rejected, I might jump in short on APPN. DSS is still running. Yeah, DSS went up to 3 again. Or it tried to get up to 3, got up to 290. WAC. Yeah, look at WAC here. This one's been faking me out for the last few days though. And I just got stopped out of CANF. It's been a tough few days trading. Faked people out. Alright, so WAC up to 91 here. I know I can trade this one on TradeNet. This is one of the stocks under $1 that I can actually trade. Alright, so CANF is dead to me. OTIB. NXTD. NXTD is pushing up towards that previous high at 163. We'll see what WAC does here. I don't necessarily trust this stock. It's faked me out a lot in the past. Although the daily doesn't look bad. It's got some resistance at 111. So you lost 10 cents. Or no, you bought 1/10 of a cent. You lost 1/10 of a cent, Black Monday. I don't know how you're going to live with that loss, man. AMPE. AMPE getting a volume spike, getting a push over the 250 level. AMPE. Watching AMPE here, just got a big volume spike over 250. Yeah, WAC fakes me out. It's faked me out a few times. It's just not. It's one of those stocks that I have a mental note that I just don't trust. Alright, I'm in AMPE. I like the volume I saw on it. Small share size of 60 shares. Give it a little bit of time. See if it can start trying to run. Get up to $2.75, $3 maybe. We'll see. WAC could run here, guys. You know, you never know. That's a nice 1 minute pullback, but it's just one of those stocks that I just don't trust at all, because it has proved me many times before that it's not necessarily trustworthy. It could still run, obviously, but it's just one of those ones that I don't trust at all. Alright, AMPE up to 265. Getting a little bit more volume here. Up to 264. APPN is still on a run, man. Alright, AMPE up to 265 again. 266, nice. AMPE. Up to 266. 267. All the way back down to 260. And so many fake outs. No, not from my experience, Ali. So if it says it's tradable, it's shortable in my experience. Anything that I've tried to short, I was able to, even if it says, regardless of what the short size says. So like anything that it says yes, it's tradable, in my experience has been shortable as well. And that's just from what I've seen. I can't guarantee it, but it's just from what I've seen. So anything that it says yes, anything that it says Y next to tradable means it's shortable. Just from my experience, like I said. A little worried about AMPE here. May start showing some weakness. Back up to 265. $258. Just gonna set a safe stop at like 257 with this one for a very small loss. Maybe 256. A lot of up wicks. Yeah, no problem, Ali. LFIN's back. Yeah, it's testing that $40 point again. REFR. All right, so AMP's up to 266 again. CERC. $267, nice. AMRN, running up some. AMPE up to 267. Alright, so I'm still watching AMPE here. I'm not that confident in it, to be honest. We'll see what it does, but not extremely confident in it. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get out for a 150 loss on AMPE. Just frustrating. I mean, unless the market makers are just trying to stop me out and it's going to push back up, it's just frustrating. Watching NAK here for a possible reversal. It's been dropping all day. It's sitting right around 2. NXTD breaking over that high. NXTD. Trying here. NXTD. Alright, so here goes WAC pushing up to 92, right around, right just under 92 at 91 something now. MARK. Alright, so MARK sitting at 250 at or 950. It finally broke MARK. MARK just broke over 950 again. up to 958. $961, $963, $964, up to $965. Now here's another bounce off of the 950 level on MARK. Watching JONE here, it's starting to creep up. JONE. And JONE is tradable on TradeNet. Alright, so I'm watching MARK, JONE, and WAC. All of these three are tradable on TradeNet, which is nice. Even these two under $1, WAC and JONE, they're all tradable on TradeNet. FULT, a little bit more expensive of a stock, but it's getting a volume spike at 1888 now. FULT. Alright, so there goes WAC breaking over that previous high right there. WAC at 94 cents now, right around 94 cents. Right around 93 cents now. Alright, so WAC up to 94 cents. BW. Yeah, BW doesn't look too bad. Watching JONE here, it's right around 90 cents. The high of pre-market's 92. BPTH. PXLW getting a volume spike. Alright, so MARK is trying to make another push at this. Alright, so MARK just broke the high of the day. It's at 970. 973, MARK. SYRS. KPAY. That's OTC, I can't trade it. Alright, so JONE here. JONE's testing that previous high. Alright, so JONE just broke it. JONE just broke the pre-market high. See if we get a volume spike in it. Alright, so WAC is actually up to 94 cents now. WMIH. Trying to push here. WMIH. Let's see. Watching MARK for a possible short under 950. Alright, so WAC still up there, almost to 95 now. SYRS. And BRV starting to push up some. Watching MARK closely to see if it gets rejected here. It's tried to get over this previous high a few times, so I'm watching it under 950, but I'm gonna wait for that validation before I jump in, that confirmation, I mean, before I just jump in. JONE, it broke the pre-market high and then washed out. My favorite time for the pre-market high break is right at the open. If it breaks it a little bit later on in the day, I don't trust it as much like JONE, so I'm waiting to see how it reacts. ACHN. NLST. Check out NLST, guys. A little bit cheaper of a stock, but it's on a run. NLST. OPTN. OPTN made a little bit of a push, couldn't break it. DAIO. DAIO. Just broke the high of the day, started testing that 1350 level. DAIO is not tradable in TradeNet. That's ridiculous. OTIV. Alright, so JONE starting to wash out here. Okay. So yeah, good risk area would be around those EMAs, Andrew. There goes pushing up testing 2 again. MBOT and LST stopped moving. GROW volume spike breaking over the high of the day after a lot of resistance there. GROW. Try to get in MARK. This was the short I was looking for. Now I'm going to look for it to get rejected at that 950 level. Big spread. Alright, so I'm in GROW. Looking for it to get rejected at that 950 level again. And wash out some more. Holding MARK. Stop's going to be if it breaks back over 950 with some volume. GROW's running up. There's 950. 952. $9.53. Let's hope it doesn't reverse here. Drop that down to 948. Nice. Back at 950 again. Trying to give MARK a little bit of time to work with me with this short. But it's been holding support here though, which is the only thing that concerns me at 934. All right, there we go. Drop down to the 940s. CPAH. I'll be right back, guys. I have a stop set at 965 with this trade. I'll be right back. Oh, man. Dropping my computer. Alright, so MARK is still at 943. INPX. Yeah, it just looks like a higher float stock. So, I mean, it dropped decent at the open, but we'll see. Just looks like a little bit higher float stock. Back down to 940. JRJC got a volume spike. It's up to 252. JRJC. Send. SSKN. There we go. MARK down to 932. We'll see if it follows through this time. Down to 931. Broke that low. Big spread, which is keeping me from profits. See if it actually breaks this time and holds. Man, this thing does not want to break under that 938 point, or that 930 point. Some reason it's got a lot of buyers at that 930 level. It needs to break under there. GROW is testing that previous high again. SSC, check out SSC. This is one of those ones I can't trade. It's not tradable on TradeNet or Ustock, but it's running up here. It's at 521, just broke over the high of the day. So check it out, guys. All right, so there we go. MARK back down to 931. We'll see if it holds and breaks under it this time. Really wants to. Man, the spread is hurting me. Back up to 940. It's frustrating. It needs to break under that low. For some reason, that 930 level is just holding ridiculously as support. Back down to 932. LFIN again. Man, look at LFIN. This thing is still going. Crazy move. Over $50 now. This thing was at $250 a few days ago. Or a day ago, one day ago. On Friday, this thing was at $250 in the morning. Now it's up to over $50. Crazy move. SSC still pushing up to 525 now. Still holding MARK, waiting for it to break under this low if it ever does, but it may be holding here. Back down to 934. Trying to give it that time it needs to break under. Working on my patience with this one, but just because I'm already at a pretty safe spot, I mean, I'm not going to lose money aside from commissions on this trade. And so, you know, I can effectively set my stop loss at 950 for a break-even trade, but we'll see if it drops. There it goes down to 931, testing again. Right back up to 934. Yeah, it's holding support firmly there. I know, look at LFIM, man, up to 52.66. There we go. There's the drop I wanted. Nice. Alright, so I'm out for a $10 profit on that one. Finally, I got a little bit of a profit. Tired of waiting for that one, so I finally got a little bit of a gain on the day. Still think I'm down on the day after a few U-stock trades, but not by much. And so, very small loss today, not that bad. Nice to get a successful short on here. Could have held a little bit longer, I guess, but I'm happy with it. But yeah, guys, it is past 11 a.m. market time. I'm going to go ahead and close the stream down now. It was nice to get a profitable short. Look at LFIN though. That thing is on a huge run, up to $54. This thing was at $250 on Friday. So what a ridiculous move, guys. Crazy move. I'm too scared to buy this thing just because when it drops, it's going to drop huge, and I don't want to risk that. Held support at 35 today, but anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead and close the stream down now. I don't know if I will be streaming tomorrow morning. I'm going out of state, but I will be bringing my laptop and my mic and everything like that, and so I will be able to stream whenever I'm out of town. So I'll still be streaming. Wow, up to $56 on LFIN, up to $56.30, almost $57. Yeah, Black Monday. I don't know if I'm gonna stream tomorrow, man. I'm going out of town. It depends on what time we leave in the morning. If I can, I'll try to get a few. I'll try to stream for maybe the first like 30 minutes, but I won't be able to stream long. It just depends on what time we're leaving in the morning, man. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys later. I might stream tomorrow morning. It just depends on what time, but if not, I will be back on Wednesday morning. So be sure to check that out. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We definitely appreciate the support. And everybody do me a favor right now and click the like button on this video. It definitely helps us and supports us, guys. So click the like button right now if you want to help support us. And good luck in the markets on Monday. I may do a power hour stream today, thinking about it. I'm going out of town, so my Amazon store is on hold, so I'm not going to be dealing with any Amazon business. So yeah, I might be doing a power hour stream today, so check that out at 3:30 market time. And yeah, guys, good luck if you get into anything else. Thanks for watching. Click the like button on this stream, and good luck.